अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, अभी हम जा रहे हैं नमाज़ पढ़ के ब्लू मस्जिद में, नीली मस्जिद में। अभी हम जा रहे हैं बनहरदर। व्हाट इज आवर मार्केट नेम? बनहरदर Maharlika. Yeah, halal market. So we are going there right now. So where should we cross? Oh, I like this one. Sunny side. We look like, you know, maybe we are in Middle East. तो अभी हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं, नमाज पढ़ ली है। So are you hungry?
No, I'm still full.
Really?
We're just done eating.
Yeah, Nurjan say we eat all the time, non-stop. Okay, let's keep walking. There's a masjid one more there, Hana. This is a Muslim area. Omani store, Muslim store. Muslim owner.
In the crowded area, you go first, and I will be at your back because I want to secure your back.
Thank you. Salama store. You guys laugh at me, maybe they like me. Look at baby, cute baby. अब देख सकते हैं काफ़ी खूबसूरत एरिया है। अब यहाँ पे दो स्टोर है, यहाँ पे इस्लामी स्टोर भी है। So you wanna buy something from there? Or you should keep walking to the market? We come back, we go to the market first, maybe cheaper there. Like too close shop, but I said to my wife, let's go to the market first, maybe we will find something cheaper there. So my wife is very excited to buy something. Go here now. You can see some food. You want something, Anna? What? Saima's eating. Toilet? No, not toilet. What is it? Tarul for girls?
Torel.
What is that?
It's kind of Muslim school,
Okay.
but only for boys.
So this is like a kepo. It's like another mini kepo with him.
Yeah.
So what is this place called? नाज़रीन, हमें मार्केट तो मिल गई है, लेकिन कपड़ों की मार्केट नहीं है, ये सब्ज़ी गोश्त वगैरह की मार्केट है। चक्कर ही लगा, मैं सोच रहा कोई अपनी बीवी के लिए ड्रेस लूँगा, लेकिन यहाँ तो कपड़े है ही नहीं है। So finally found a small market, but it's not a closed market. It's just, you know, vegetable and some meat. The smell is quite bad here, isn't it? So let's get out from this halal market and look around. So there's fresh chicken. You wanna buy? You can buy from there. हम वहाँ पे चल के देखते हैं। Let's go there, okay? Did you find something? Some dress? Did you found something? What? You gonna want me to come inside? My wife already done her shopping, but currently she bought nothing. So this is the Muslim area in Manila.
Which one do you want?
We should have some milk tea. Sit here, Anna. We have some milk tea. What do you want? What is like a best drink here? Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
What is your best drink?
They have small one.
It's the special drinks is the best.
Special.
Special drinks, Boss Bro, Blackpink, Kenjis, Nescafe, Supreme Mocha.
Which one should we get?
Did you get
I don't know. I have no idea.
2 small cups or 1 large?
Just get one large. Okay, so too small is up to you. You would suggest me.
2 small because it's the same.
Finally, the dinner have arrived. We have to take a ride. So let me just try the drink. नाज़रीन, मुझे उम्मीद है आपको ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा। मैं आपको बस ये कहूँगा, सब्सक्राइब करें। अभी बस मैं ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करने आया हूँ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।